Hi guys, it's Caitlin. Today we are going to be making some slime. First, you will need a bowl and a mixing thing and some glue. I'm going to be mixing glitter glue with Elmer's glue. White Elmer's glue.
You have to turn it the other way.
Like this one. If you want this small of a slime, you can just do that, but I want a bigger slime. So, what? Oh. I want a bigger slime, so I am going to put some white Elmer's glue. Now I'm going to mix it up. Once you start mixing it, you might see the glitter glue coming in, mixing in with the white glue, like this. I'm using pink. Now I'm going to mix pink and purple in with it. There goes in the pink. Now I'm going to put in the purple. I'm going to add a little bit more pink because I added more purple than pink. Now you want to mix it all up. This is what my color is. Now you can add in your activator. You can use baking soda and contact lens solution. That's what I'm using. You can use laundry detergent, and you can also use some, or you can use borax and hot water. I'm adding some cornstarch, lotion, baking soda, and contact solution to my mixture of white glue, glitter glue, and the two colors of food coloring. All you need to do to make this coffee slime is add foaming hand soap or foaming, what's it called? Shaving cream. Foaming shaving cream or foaming hand wash. After you add in your baking soda and contact lens solution or hot water and borax or laundry detergent, you can start mixing it up, and you might see it coming together and become in slime. Mine is a little sticky right now, so I'm going to add a little bit of contact solution. My color is a pretty magenta. slime is almost done. I'm just going to add a little bit more of contact solution, and it should become slime. It should become non as sticky, stop sticking to the bowl, and I should be able to play with it without it sticking to my fingers or hands. You might want to mix it a little bit more after it stops sticking to the bowl, because who knows, it could still be just quite sticky. It's coming off the bowl, but I want to mix it a little more because it's still sticking to the bowl when I mix it. Now I'm going to take it out and start kneading it. You might want to knead it really well. You are going to have to knead it really well so that it comes together a little bit more and so that it's not as sticky. And if it still is too sticky, you can add in a little bit more of your activator. It should be very stretchy, not so sticky, and it shouldn't be, it should be easy to play with it. And there you go. Now you've got your slime, and you will see me in my next video. Bye!